Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Realme 15 Pro keeps vibrating. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and click on sounds and vibration. And now here you can turn off your notification sound. If you turn on your notification sound, then turn it off. After turn off your notification sound, then go back and scroll down and click on system and update, and then click on software update. Now here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, then go back and click on backup and reset. Now click on reset phone and then click on reset all settings. Now click on reset. After reset all the settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.